अरे चंदन बाबू, come. How are you?
Good. Give me a cigarette packet.
Cigarette, okay. Take it. By the way, Chandran Babu, what are you doing these days?
I am. Leave it. You won't understand. You're just a beetle man.
What are you saying, Chandran Babu? Don't judge a book by its cover. Though I seem to be local, yet I am smart enough to understand several things. So please, speak uninhibitedly, okay? I will understand. Why not I will understand? Speak.
I'm learning VFX.
VFX.
What happened? Did you understand what VFX is? You were just bragging. I'm smart enough to do that, this, that.
I don't know, but please explain what VFX is basically.
VFX is a kind of special effect. I mean, whatever special effect you see in any movie, especially superheroes movies, all the special effects are done with the help of VFX. And I am learning that. I have a computer.
I know about a computer. Actually, your father often comes here. She told me that he had bought a computer 6 months ago. How much he loves you, huh?
But now I want a DSLR camera so that I can shoot whatever the footage I want as per my choice. And after that, apply some VFX and see the changes. So, very soon I will buy that DSLR camera. How much for the cigarette packet?
100 rupees only. By the way, Chandan Babu, I would like to put forth my opinion.
What?
Actually, at this tender age, I think you should not smoke.
Take your money and henceforth don't you dare to put forth any opinion. And see, don't say to my father that I smoke.
Okay. Father is magnanimous and considerate, but the son is just obnoxious and arrogant. May God bless him. Mommy, I want a DSLR camera. So, please ask Papa to buy it,
But why do you want a camera?
I want to shoot videos and do editing practice.
What is the price of camera?
Its price is approx 40,000 rupees. Please ask him to buy it as soon as possible. I really need it.
Okay, I will tell your father. Chandan was saying that he wants a camera.
Camera? For what?
He needs for his editing practice.
Editing. Okay, I will buy.
But its price is 40,000.
40,000 rupees. I will arrange.
But you are already laden with debt due to his computer.
Pooja, he is our only son, and being his father, it's my utmost responsibility to educate him, to give him the way better life than us. I will leave no stone unturned to help him go to the zenith of his success. And you know, Pooja, once he becomes successful, all the pain and distress will die out. So you don't worry. I don't know how I'll arrange, but I will definitely arrange. And I will give him his camera, for sure. Papa, why are you touching my computer? Actually, TV is out of order. And you know that after having food, I'm used to watching news. So I thought that I must watch some news videos. It's for my VFX practice. Please don't touch it. I'm sorry. Okay, you take care of your computer. I will get the TV fixed. Have you seen my banyan?
Yeah, it's here.
Thank you.
Why don't you buy a new banyan?
Who will see the new banyan? It has to be underneath the shirt. And the amount which I will spend for a banyan, one-time vegetable can be purchased. So I am okay the way I am. I have to think about the future of my son. That's my only dream. Mummy, it has been a week, but he hasn't purchased my camera yet. All the students of my batch have purchased their respective cameras, except me. When will he purchase?
I will again tell your father. Chandan desperately wants a camera.
I can understand. I will definitely purchase. But I have only 20,000 rupees cash. And as you said that the price of the camera is 40,000 rupees. I don't know how to arrange 20,000 rupees more. God, every child thinks that whatever he desires, his parents can fulfill. Especially father. He thinks that father can buy the things from anywhere, whatever the child wants. But being a father, today I find myself absolutely helpless, God. I'm not able to figure out what to do. My son wants just a camera. And I'm not able to procure a camera for him. What should I do, God? I never want that my son should be laughed at. I never want that anybody should look down upon my son. I just want to see him a successful person, God. Please show me the path, God. Show me the path. Show me the path. Excuse me, sir. Thank you, sir. Sarbu, I need 10,000 rupees, sir. 10,000 rupees. See, 6 months ago, you took 30,000 rupees as advance money. And you have not repaid that amount yet. So as per the company policy, we can't help you out. You can't get any amount until you pay your previous amount. I hope you understand. can understand, sir. So, can I work in night shift as well, sir? But you are already working in day shift. So, when will you take a rest? Sir, when my son becomes successful, then I will take a rest, sir. I understand that. But you are already an asthma patient and you want to work in night shift as well. So, as per the company policy, you will have to sign a document. And this document says that the company is not coercing you into working in both the shift, day and night. I hope you understand that. Okay, sir. So take this paper and sign it. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
ओ भैया हटो बच्चों, ओ भैया हटो बच्चों, हटो बच्चों, ला 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 ला।
Excuse me.
अरे चंदन बाबू, sorry वो, sometimes entertain for peace of mind. I will do that. What do you want?
I want a mouth freshener.
Okay, mouth freshener. Take it. By the way, what happened, Chandan Babu? You seem to be quite upset today.
Yeah, I'm upset owing to my father.
Owing to father?
Birju, you already know that I need a camera. And it's been a week. My father has not purchased a camera yet. I just regret to have got such a father.
You regret? Hare Chandan Babu, you are the lucky person to have got such a loving, caring, magnanimous and considerate father. And you are saying that you regret. Do you have any idea? In spite of being an asthma patient, your father is working in both the shifts, day and night. For whom? For you, for your desire, for your happiness. And you are saying that you regret. Arey Chandan Babu, you should be ashamed of yourself. In your previous birth, you must have done a great job. That's why you got a father like him. And you are saying that you regret.
Chandan, come my son, come. Don't be disappointed, my son. I will buy your camera soon.
No, Papa. I don't want any camera, Papa. I want you. I'm sorry, Papa. In order to buy my camera, you are burning the candle at both ends. And I'm just squandering money and disparaging you. I'm not a good son, Papa. I'm a bad son. I'm sorry, Papa. I'm sorry.
No. Don't cry. were brat, yet you are my pride. My son, I couldn't do anything in my life. I just lived the life hand to mouth. But I want to see you at the zenith of the success. I want to do everything to fulfill your desire. You never cry, never cry. You have to become successful. I love you. I love you.